Hi, everybody. Welcome to Dandelion Cottage and Marvelous Monday. I'm Leslie Watkins. I hope everybody's well. I hope you had a great weekend. It's kind of a drizzly, rainy day here in New England, but it's still very pretty because the trees and the leaves are saturated, so it really brings the color out. So as I sit here looking out my window, I just love all the autumn colors. So this Wednesday, on Watercolor Wednesday, right here at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time, I'm going to be doing a autumnal painting, which I think you're going to enjoy, and maybe I can find some pretty leaves to bring in from outside to share those colors with you. But today I wanted to do a little recap of the special series that I've been presenting, which is the 12 Weeks of Christmas. And we're about halfway through now. So I just did the sixth lesson, and and I just wanted to let you know that it's not too late to join in. You can participate at any time. It's absolutely free. It's a private classroom, so you do have to register for it, and that link will be in the description below. You can also find it right here on my Facebook page. And what that registration will do is it will get you an invitation into the online classroom where you will find all the videos of how to make all the projects that you see me make every Saturday at 12:30 Eastern Standard Time through till December 10th. And you'll also have the opportunity to get a little kit if you'd like. If you'd like to have some of the specialty papers that you see me use, the embellishments, the twine, and I'll show you that in just a minute. But before we go there, I thought it'd be really fun to do a quick little review of some of the projects that I've already made because they're starting to pile up now. So this past Saturday, I showed you how to make this adorable little camper treat box, and I'll give you a little close up of that because it's just too cute. Here we go. So you see it's got the little door that opens with the wreath. And this little box opens up so that you can put some goodies in there. So you could fit a couple of Hershey's Kisses or some mini peanut butter cups, or I don't know. It doesn't have to be food. It could be jewelry. But anyway, this little box could be used either on a place setting on your holiday table, or you can hang it on the tree or from the mantle, whatever you like. It's absolutely adorable. So all the information on how to make that is available now. And then I have this little, what I'm calling a tag portfolio, and it has a little tag on it with a to and a from, and it features that Mistletoe Magic stamp set. As a bonus video in the classroom, you'll also get the video on how to paint the mistletoe, which is a lot of fun. I think you'll enjoy that. So this little portfolio just opens up like so. And inside I've got it jam-packed with all these different tags and sort of hybrid tag ornaments that I've been making. So here's that Mistletoe Magic again. Here it is in a little pocket. Okay. Here's a big tag with some beautifully painted holly using watercolors. And this opens up to put a message inside. And you could just make a beautiful little tag kit like this and give this to somebody as a gift or use it as a stocking stuffer. I'm sure that they'd be happy to have it. Then on this side, got these cute little mittens with a to from on the inside. Very simple but elegant tag with a Merry Christmas on it. And then we've got this one. This was the Scrap Buster tag. And so this was just made using all the leftovers that I had on my desk. So I think that gives you a pretty nice overview of some of the things that you'll find in the classroom. And then there's some others. Really cute. And this is what we're going to be doing this coming Saturday, using that adorable little Scotty dog punch. So that's a quick preview of what's coming up. Now in your kit, you're going to get a pack of the what is this called? It's called Simply Elegant Trim in both gold and silver, which is perfect for ornaments and tags. I have the Festive Pearl embellishments. You're going to get a cute little treat box that you can fold and decorate. You're going to get some specialty designer papers, and these have the beautiful gold foiling on it. And you'll get an assortment of cardstocks that can be used to punch out your tags and various decorations. You'll also have the option to get some of the tools and kits that I'll be using, like the punches and the bundles and things like that in the registration process. But you'll also be able to use what you have on hand as well. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. I wanted to remind you about Watercolor Wednesday coming up this Wednesday at 12 noon right here, Eastern Standard Time. I also want to remind you that there are some really wonderful special deals going on right now. If you're brand new to paper crafting and you think that this looks like a lot of fun, and I can assure you that it is a blast. It's a lot of fun. There's a special going on right now where you can get a starter kit and select all the tools and equipment that you would like to have in that kit, and up to $155 worth of products and stamps and papers, whatever it is that you need, and pay only $99 plus tax, and you'll get free shipping. So if that's interesting to you, I will include that link below as well. And you would also then be on my design team, where you would get access to a lot of other benefits. So I hope you have a great week. I look forward to seeing you again next Saturday in the 12 Weeks of Christmas. Please go ahead and register for that. It's absolutely free. I'd love to see you there. Stay well, stay happy, stay creative, and I will see you next time.